Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So it definitely does look like a five-way pattern up on the monthly, and even the fifth wave looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we may be getting somewhat close on the monthly to ending this move up. But the fact that we went so far above the 78% tells me that it probably more than likely will go up to at least the 165 area, which is right around the 100% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the weekly time frame is where you really have to realize that there's no Fibonacci bounce, there's no break of structure to the downside, there's no lower high, telling me that the trend is definitely still up. Kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is like an extended wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. I still think more than likely that it's going to go up to the 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 164, 165 area. So going down to the daily time frame, definitely made a move down over the last couple of days, but I mean, still for me, there's no reason to think it's going down in any significant way. No Fibonacci bounce, no break of structure, no reason to think that this is a big move to the downside. And just like I've been saying for months and months, buying the dip has been an amazing strategy on the yen pairs so far and will most likely continue to be. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push up right here. Now, kind of seems like this might only be a wave A, and that maybe it actually is going to do something like this before we actually get the continuation of the uptrend. And honestly, the dollar index does look like it's going down pretty significantly, and if that goes down, then that's probably going to push this down quite a bit further. But I still think that, you could be looking for shorts, but I still think the bigger, better money is going to be trying to identify ends of corrections to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't have a breaker structure up yet, but if this does go down, continue to respect that Fibonacci level, then go up, then break structure, I personally would definitely take it for a long because I definitely think that buying the dip has been an amazing strategy. At the breaker structure right there would have been an amazing long. The breaker structure right there would have been an amazing long. The break to the upside back here would have been an amazing long. So if we get another break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, that's going to be another long opportunity, possibly the continuation of the uptrend. It is definitely possible that it makes a bigger ABC correction like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, but if it breaks structure to the upside, I do know that the trend is up on every single time frame, so I will be definitely looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.